How to create your children's book illustration using Canva step by step. Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create beautiful children's book illustrations using Canva. Whether you are writing for your first book or making a story for your kids, this tutorial will help you turn your ideas into a fully illustrated book without needing to draw a thing. So let's jump right into the video. So first of all, you have to go to canva.com and then click create design, and then you have to choose custom size. I will choose custom size into 12 size, create a custom size. Then width will be 12 and height 12. It will be an inch 12, 12. Okay, now create a new design. So now for printed book, use 8.5 into 8.5 inch or 8.5 into 11 inch standard size. I choose to create a custom size 12 into 12 inch. So name your project children's book. So you can name your project children's book and add multiple pages using the plus button. You can add pages by clicking on plus button, and this gives you full creative control page by page, just like a real illustrator or publisher. So first of all, you need to have a story to make the illustrations. So for the story, we'll now head over to the chat GPT and search for a funny educational children's book. So it will make me one. So it made the title Professor Poopy Pants and the Great Germs Cave. So this is our today's story, and there are many sections like summary, sample of beginning, and all. So we will now make the illustration following this story. Okay, so let's get started. For that, you need to go to Canva, and you can add illustrations from Canva library, click elements, search for animals, trees, search for like animals, trees, kids, fantasies, etc. Filter by graphics or illustrated style. You can also choose a consistent art style through watercolor, flat, cartoony, and resize, flip, and layer illustrations to build your scene. Add background elements like sky, hills, bedroom, forest, etc. Or you can also use Canva's huge graphic library and pre-built children's book template. So I'll go for pre-built children's book template. So let's see. Uh, Not in the elements. We have to look in the designs like children's book, and we can see 1 of 9. There are 9 pages in this template. We can also use this one, also this one. There are many more. So I'll just choose the one matches my story. So let's search for that. Just use this and select apply all 14 pages. So like this, we will have to firstly change the title. So let's copy it from here, copy, and then paste it here. Let's just this. I'll delete one story and check this and also delete this one. So here's my title, Professor Poopy Pants and the Great Gem Charm Escape. So I've just made the front page giving the title here, and then we can add the story summary on the next page. So let's copy this from here and paste it here. So I'll paste it here. Select like this, and better if we change the fonts like this and just get the fonts bigger. We'll write the summary. It's telling us the summary of the story, and we'll just drag and put it here. Just like that. We'll just make it smaller and drag it down. That is, and we can also change it to another font like this and make the font bigger. And the final result will be like this, and we can drag this. It's looking good now. And now we will copy the whole story and paste it on the next pages. Like I'll copy this part and paste it. Let's delete this part and paste. Okay. Like this. Delete it and text part will little bit of body text. Like this and it will be here. Just adjust it and remove or just drag the graphics little lower. The content should be readable and very cool. And we can just change the font. Recently used. Okay, like this. Okay. So as you can see, I've just added 3 pages. You can do for the rest of the story like this and customize each page for story flow, like adding action, emotion, or surprise on each page. You can use animate if exporting as an ebook or video version, and you can duplicate scenes with slight changes like character moves or reacts. Optionally you can also use AI text to image for unique illustrations. Unfortunately, this feature only available in the Pro version, and by doing that, you will visually consistency plus emotional storytelling, the book that holds a child's attention, and then designing. And then you should design a stunning cover page. For that, use bright bold artwork. Add your book title in large font, like I've done. You can see it here. add author or illustrator's name. You can add your name or any other person's name as the author or illustrator's name. You can also consider adding a fun border, character cutout, or sparkle or glow effect. You can even use 3D mockup templates for Amazon KDP or web display. And last of all, you need to export it. So click share and you can see we can get the link and give it to someone, and also download it in many formats like PNG. You can also download it as PDF for print or PDF for standard, and PDF for standard. So I'll just click on the PDF standard best for documents and emailing, and then click the download button. And optionally, you also can publish it on Amazon KDP, StoryJumper, Canva websites, issue, or PDF flipbook tools. And that's how you create your own children's book illustrations using Canva in 2025, from custom layout to full page art and cover design. You don't need to be an illustrator, just a storyteller with imagination. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more Canva publishing tutorials, and comment below if you want to upload your book to your social media or anywhere you like to. And till the next video.